At Stush in the Bush, we make an amazing vegan basil pesto. Now, I totally encourage people to make their own basil pesto if they have an opportunity to do so and if they have the time. But if you don't have the time to make a really great vegan pesto, you should really try ours. It's amazing. And I'm gonna make it here for you today so that you can get to see just how simple it really is. For me, I think it's really important that you always have fresh ingredients, because when you start with the best, then you end up with a fantastic product. This is organic basil, walnuts, fresh garlic, lemons, yum, straight from the farm, delicious. You just can't beat the freshness of that. The others are peeled. You usually used about 6 cloves of garlic. I also like my pesto very lemony, right? So we're gonna toss these into the food processor. You know, someone came to my house the other day and said to me, cuisine art. You know, cuisine art. I had never even thought of that. Isn't that amazing? I think that's amazing. Walnuts. Okay, in my pesto, I really love to use fresh lemon. So I use fresh lemon and I zest it in, all right? So I'm gonna zest this in. And the zest is the skin, and you never want to go all the way down to the pith because that makes it really bitter. That's that white part inside here. You don't want to go down to that. And then we're gonna juice the lemon. Yeah? And we're gonna put in some tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we're gonna add the basil. And generally speaking, you want somewhere in the vicinity of 4 to 6 cups, depending obviously on how much you're making. We're gonna just fill up the food processor, and then we're going to give it a little blitz. Now the secret to really great pesto is that you have to drizzle in your olive oil. So while it's on, the olive oil goes in, and you'll see that the pesto all just starts to come together. Voila. A teaspoon of sea salt. I never use black pepper in a container. I always crack it fresh. It helps to digest in your system. And then we're going to blitz it a little more. That's the ticket. Simple. Few ingredients. Tastes really great. Tastes really bright. For me, I might even add a little bit more lemon juice just to make and give it that freshness. And I think that that is just a really easy way to make use of fresh ingredients that are seasonal. We're gonna share a little bit of this love. And this is the pesto. The texture of our pesto. It's just not overly oily. I think it's perfect. It has just the right amount of lemon, and it's vegan. It doesn't have any cheese. It doesn't have any animal products. It's made with olive oil. It's also made with lots of love and affection. Bon appetit. Happy eating.